Oh shit. Uh, uh. Just now was bouncing on the bed. 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 Just now was bouncing up on the motherfucking bed at the hotel room. She fucked around and hit the ceiling fan. Knocked herself unfucking conscious up in this bitch, real fucking shit. Do it look like I'ma tell y'all a goddamn lie up in this bitch? Ask her how she get that fucking knot up on her head up in this bitch. Just now was bouncing up on the motherfucking bed at the motherfucking hotel room up in this bitch, real fucking shit. Just now fucked around and hit the ceiling fan and knocked her little ass unconscious in this bitch. Woke up in the hospital bed with needles up in her motherfucking skin up in this bitch. I think that little short bitch needs some motherfucking help and this motherfucking hoe. This your boy Adrian up in this bitch. Just now was bouncing up on the bed. Just now was bouncing up on the bed. Just now was bouncing up on the bed. Just now was bouncing up on the fan. On the bed in this bitch. Fucked around and hit the motherfucking ceiling fan. Knocked her ass on motherfucking conscious up in this bitch. I don't know how the hell she ended up in the fucking hospital bed. Damn, G's OPs, how you end up bouncing off the bed? Fucked around and hit the motherfucking ceiling fan. She fucked around and knocked herself motherfucking conscious up in this bitch. This your boy Adrian, bitch. I'm out. Ah, hell no. How she managed to jump off the bed and fucked around, hit the ceiling fan, knocked herself unconscious, ended up at the fucking hospital up in this bitch. Adrian finna go to bed up in this bitch. I got another fucking damn fuck. Shit, let me just talk my shit at the end, you know what I'm saying? Janai was bouncing on the bed at the hotel room, fucked around and hit the ceiling fan, knocked herself unconscious, and then ended up at the hospital.